Hello, what's happening? I wanted to share with you a certain recipe that I've learned over the years, kind of learned from other people and everything. When you're prepping for a show, so many times we're always doing the egg whites and oatmeal, and a lot of people can get really tired of that. So I'm going to show you a way to make a protein pancake. So you have your ingredients set out. I already measured out my oats. I have my egg whites here. And I'm actually going to put some banana in there. You could always put apple or even blueberries in there, and I'll top it off with a little bit of peanut butter on top. What I recommend is to first really finely blend. Pretty much you're making your oatmeal into a dust so that it is pretty evenly mixed. So then, I got my egg whites. Add back my oats. For those who like to add a little bit of taste to it, I like to throw in a little bit of cinnamon. And a pinch of vanilla. If that's not, so if it's not sweet enough for you, you could always add some stevia to it as well. So we blend this all up. We got our mixture. And now what we're going to do is put it in our skillet. Now it's real crucial. You got to be patient when cooking this. Medium heat, because it's got to solidify, and then you're going to flip it. So the great thing about this is you know exactly how many carbohydrates is in there because you weighed out your oats. You know exactly how much protein's in there because it's your egg whites. And even if you add fruit to it, you're accounting for that as well. This is going to be dry. You can take it with you, so you can even snack. If you want to make numerous ones per day, say you got a conference, or you know you're going to be busy with meetings, something like that, and you need your nutrients or your meals, this is real easy. You can just chomp on them like they're a candy bar, so to speak. So we're gonna let that cook a little bit. We'll return and check out the finished product. So I let it heat up a little bit, and I'm just adding in the bananas evenly throughout. So that when it solidifies, it'll be nicely packed in there. And we all know that when you're contest prep dieting, you cannot get ripped by eating fruit. That's the golden rule. So remember that. You can never get ripped by eating fruit on a contest diet. So you can see how it's starting to solidify again. This is taking about 7 minutes. So I'm going to let it go just a little bit longer before I flip it. You can see it's a little soft in here. So maybe a minute or two, and then I'll go ahead and give her a flip. Alright, I'm going to try and successfully flip this bad boy. There we go. And that's the tricky part. you may mess it up a time or two in your first attempt. So let the underside get all solidified, and then we'll finish her off. All right, so we're completely done now. You can see the bananas in there. Now, I'm going to add in just a little bit of fats from peanut butter. So for those of you who actually get peanut butter in your diet, this is a good way to spruce up your protein pancake. Like I said, you can just quarter this off. You know exactly how many grams of protein, carbs, and fat is in it, and it's a nice little change. You know, if you have the time and patience, you can make up a bunch of these, and you've got numerous ones to take with you. So no reason to not have food to go, especially if you don't have access to a microwave or something like that. So hopefully this will work out for you, and any questions at all, then shoot me an email or comment away. Thank you, and take care.